What's up, everybody?
And welcome to the first official video of this channel. Joe, who is that guy? Why is he in your intro? That is Peter McKinnon, cinema and photography based YouTuber out of Canada. And today in this first official video of this channel, we will be reviewing his recently released sound set. So Peter McKinnon is currently a YouTuber with almost 2 million subscribers in under a year. And he's really blowing up in the cinema and photography realm of YouTube. So I decided to actually purchase his sound set. I also decided to challenge myself and take Peter McKinnon's sound set, a bunch of other sounds I could find on the internet, a bunch of dope B-roll, and make the dopest possible video I could make featuring Peter McKinnon's sound set. Now the crazy thing is that all of these sounds in the set are made from his voice or his mouth. It definitely makes some sounds more usable than other sounds. For instance, the fighting sequence or the fighting category of the set is definitely out there and it's kind of crazy. So all in all, this is what B-roll, his set, my mind, my creativity pretty much came up with. Let me know what you guys think about it. Play the clip. So guys, that was the video. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know if you could tell which sounds are actually out of his set, because again, like I said before, all of his sounds are made from his mouth. Also, like I said before, I did mix in some other sounds in the video, so not all of them are actually, Peter McKinnon. But just let me know what you thought of the overall video. If you're interested in purchasing the set, I'll leave that in the description below, as well as a link to his channel. I definitely recommend you checking him out. And with all that said, how I'll be ending every video: live big, dream bigger. See you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.